if you have ideas, challenge us with ideas intellectually. Give us.
Od bura Nyamra opogore kaluwore koda dwaro mar thicho oko gavana ma kaontino Amos Nyaribo. Kweth achiel motene koda jalup spika Thaddeus Nyabaro seketo gi oboke michwalo e od bura no juma manyien ka gidwaro ni mondo thich oko gavana no. Kweth machielo bende siro gavana no ka giwacho ni gik miwacho kuom gavana no gin gik minyalo losi kod twak ma ok thicha oko.
We have officially done signature verification with our clerk of the assembly. We have handed over the motion to him. The members of the assembly have signed, and we now look forward to the motion being placed on the order paper next week on Tuesday. And then the assembly will have time to discuss about the conduct of the governor, and we want to believe we have a watertight case against the governor, and therefore we believe God will assist us to ensure Nyamra gets proper service delivery.
Mambo ni matatu nikisisitiza kwamba ikiwa ameshiriki katika vitendo vya ufisadi ang'atuke peke yake au tumungatue vile ambavyo tumefanya.
We are here to decline and denounce that we are not part and parcel of such wrangles that are baseless, not substantive in impeaching the governor. The 28 who had signed, majority of them had been coerced, threatened to sign.
Katika sheria za Kenya, kila mmoja ana uhuru wa kusikizwa kwa njia inayofaa. Inaitwa fair hearing. Kwa hivyo hiyo fair hearing, kwa nini tukifika mahali tunawachilia? Yafaa tumpe gavana fair hearing, akae atuambie